Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Discord token. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So all you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So now without further ado, just head to your Discord on your browser. Now click on these three dots at the top right. After that, just go scroll down until you find more tools. And then at the left side, just go click on Developer Tools. Then just give it a moment. The next thing you need to do is to click on these arrows, then select Application, just click on it. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead to the left side, click on Local Storage, click on the arrow beside it, then choose https://discord.com. Then now click on Filter, and all you have to do is to type in token. Now just go ahead to the top left where it says Element. Then click on this icon right here. Now when you click on this, your token should appear, as you can see here at the right side. So this token, you should not give it to anyone, so go ahead, double click on it and copy it. So this was how to find your Discord token. As always, thank you for watching.